I think that you are like me and you've had two problems with, what do you call it, more than two problems, but two problems in particular regarding tracking on websites and communicating with clients about this problem. The first one is you get a lot of questions about, is this being tracked on our website? Do we have the right pixel on our website? Is the web, if you do, now we have an answer for that. The second part of it is what's wrong with our tracking? And there hasn't really been a easy way to communicate that between tracking expert and client previously until now. Because yesterday or a week back or a month or, I don't know when you watch this, but at some time ago, yesterday or today when I recorded this video, my Pixel Auditor, extension for Chrome, was granted by Google to go live in the official store. Or, it's not a store because it's all free, but you get my point. So how does this work? Well, if you are a client that wants to understand how you, what's wrong with my tracking, what you do is you just launch the Pixel Auditor and then you click on your website. Click everywhere you want to know if it works. And then you look at the very top right of your screen and then you see a copy button. Click copy and then you go to ChatGPT, Claude or whatever, and you click paste and you click, the little send button. Then you copy all of that stuff that the chatbot replies to you and you send that to your tracking expert. Yeah. And then they can use the same auditor and then they can go into the website and then they can click on the requests tab on it. And they can look at every single request that's being sent on a detailed level, but a little more nicer than we've had before. And up to 8 different TikTok and Snapchat and Google and Facebook and all of those in one go. Yeah, very happy to have this live. The link is in the description, not in the description, but maybe in the description too. But yeah, it's in the comments.